Kuya ako. Asang?
Uy. Wala ko ah.
Turaw.
Trade.
Okay, handshake, chickens.
Handshake. Good game, okay.
Okay, this is our player, Neko,
We start with
and a drink.
E4
And
by
our announcer.
Nico Disinan.
Our announcer, chairman, representative, and Nico Disinan, a move.
E4. E4 with a book move.
Adrian arranges.
Bro thinks Carlsen Magnus.
He thinks he is Carl.
He thinks he is Carlsen Magnus.
He thinks he is Carl Francis.
Adrian move.
Nice.
Knight C6 na ba?
And arranged by
Knight
Nico.
C6.
And
Nico
even
with
that.
D4.
Okay.
Bro thinks he is Carlsen Magnus. Yes, and done. You wanna eat?
As we can see here, Nico Disinan. Nico Nakamura. Okay, Knight to F6.
Nice move.
Nico Nakamura move his pawn D5. No.
Oo nga nag-YouTube eh.
Nico, go. We have here Adrian sacrificing his knight. Queen take. Oh no.
Oh!
Another knight has been
Oh!
sacrificed.
Nice
by
double kill by Adrian.
Very nice play.
Retake.
Okay, retake. We are here to retake.
Pagpa-feed sa Africa, ayaw sa chess.
Think.
Now na ay mong kuan. What the? As
You
you
must
can
think
see
outside
here,
the box.
we are doing brain dead chess. Okay,
Okay, this
Adrian
is-
move to B4.
This is taking very long.
Oh, king mo na, basta king na.
What is happening in this game?
So much has been oh wow. Pawn push to E5. Nice
Oh.
take by
Ay.
Adrian Kambang
Na
using knight.
we have some highlights here. This is the horse.
We move. Nico Nakamura move his pawn to C3.
Nice move.
Ako may storage ba?
Ako lang. I will upload this to my YouTube channel.
Adrian is thinking.
Please
Adrian
subscribe.
Carlsen. Okay, he's gonna go back. Wow! He sacrificed his knight. What a very nice play.
Pas na ako, Carl.
Okay, F6.
Kondabi. Cut. Dito ta sa kuan. Dito ta sa
Ayaw na ikat!
dito ta sa kuan
Ayaw na
sa
ikat!
sa checkmate.
Bishop C4. Which is a
Adrian.
B.
Checkmate.
Checkmate! Shake hands! Balik. As we